rain.
Kids, can you point up?
There you are. U is for umbrella. Drip, drop, drip. The rain began to fall. Una opened her umbrella. Pop! It spread wide above her head. This is fun! This is fun! Want to share? Want to share? U is for us! Woo! Woo!
Kids say, U is for us.
Uh-oh!
Have you ever felt strong wind?
Uh-oh!
Have you ever felt strong wind?
You can't beat us! Woo! 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 Unbelievable! Up the hill we go! We are so brave and proud. I'll call you Uno. Today was unforgettable. Woof plus! U is for unforgettable. U is for umbrella. U is for unforgettable.